Just because your carpets look clean, it doesn't mean they are clean. Axholme Cleaning are a specialist carpet cleaning company covering our discerning commercial and domestic clients across North Lincolnshire and surrounding regions. Do you have carpets that have seen better days? Perhaps with stains and marks, or just not looking as hygienic as you'd like? The truth is, whether the carpets look dirty or not, there'll be hidden allergens and bacteria hiding in the fibres, and it's being breathed in by everyone in the property without even knowing about it. So, whether you're after a complete hygiene overhaul of your carpets, or you're wanting to ensure they're brought back to their former glory as much as possible, Axholme Cleaning would love to be your solution too. Your job will be undertaken using the industry-leading equipment to ensure your carpets get the best treatment possible. And only pet and child-friendly cleaning products are used, ensuring complete safety and peace of mind. We take our stance in the industry very seriously. Trained to the highest standards, members of the NCCA, WallSafe approved providers, and our business is fully insured. If you need cleaning, repairing or restoring of your carpets, Axholme Cleaning are the team to trust. We'd love for you to read our reviews on our online profile to see what other clients have said about the service they've received from us. And when you're ready for the deepest and most thorough carpet clean, whether in your home or your office, please get in touch and we'd love to help.